Welcome to the channel. In this tutorial, we will see how we can build and run a Go program from the command prompt in Windows 10 operating system. In order to continue with this video, you need to download and install the latest version of Go in Windows 10. If you don't know about it, then I have a tutorial explaining everything, and I'm going to put the link of that video in the description box. You guys can check that out. Once we have Go installed in our computer, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to open up any text editor and we will write a simple Go program. Here I'm going to use Notepad. I'm going to open up Notepad, and the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to save this file. So I'm going to go to File, Save, and I will save this program in the music folder. You guys can store it anywhere. And here I need to give a name for the file. I'm gonna say hello. This will be a simple program which will display hello YouTube or hello world to the screen. And you guys can give any name for the file, but the most important thing is the file extension should be .go. And after that, here save as type, I'm gonna click on that and I'm gonna select all files. Otherwise it will be a text file. Now I'm going to click on this save, and this file is saved. Now we can write a simple Go program. The package is main, and then we will import the packages that we need. I'm going to import fmt or fmt, and after that we will have the main function main. And here in this function, we will use the fmt package that we have imported, and we will call a function called as println. So it will be fmt fmt dot println, and I'm gonna display hello world. Okay. After that, we will save the program. Go to File and click on Save. Now we can close this file. And now I'm going to open up the location or the folder where I have saved my program. If you remember, it is in the music folder. You just need to open up the location where you have saved your program. And here we have the hello.go file. And now what we have to do is we have to open up the command prompt with this location or with the folder where we have this hello.go file. So a simple trick is we can click on this navigation section, which explains the path that we have gone through to get to the location that we are currently in. So here we go to this navigation section and we just left click here. It will highlight that particular location. For example, you guys can see here, it is highlighting music. Here we just have to type in CMD, and after that hit the enter button, and the command prompt will be opened with this location. So you guys can see here, the command prompt is opened in this music folder. So now what we have to do is we have to compile the program that we have in this hello.go file, and we have to generate an executable file. So we will write go space, then build space, and we have to write the file which is containing the Go program, which is hello.go. Now if I hit the enter button, here you guys can see another file is created with the same name as the Go source file hello, and it is an executable file. Now what we can do is we can execute this program just by typing the file name, which is hello. Now you guys can see we get hello world. If you want to give a new name for the executable file created, then you can do that. To explain that, I'm going to delete this file, the executable file, and then here we will type in go space build space -o, after that another space, and we can give the name for the executable file. For example, I can say application and .exe. That's because we are using the Windows operating system, and in Windows the executable files will have the .exe extension, and then space, and we need to provide the name of the file containing the source code, which is hello.go. And after that, if I hit the enter button, you guys can see here the executable file is created with the name that we have given, application. Now we just have to call this executable file by using its name, and we get the output of our program. It will display hello world. Now here what we are doing is we are creating the executable file and then we are running that executable file. But sometimes what happens is we just want to see the output of the program and we don't need the executable file. For that, one particular method is available. To explain that, I'm gonna go to this folder and remove the executable file. And again, I'm gonna bring back the command prompt in here. And what we can do is we can directly see the output of the Go program. For that, we have to type in go space run space and then the file name which contains the source code, which is hello.go. And if I hit the enter button, then you guys can see hello world as the output, which is the same as previous build, but in this folder we don't have the executable file. So what this command go run has done is it has created the executable file in a temporary folder, and then it has run that executable file, and after running the executable file it has deleted that executable file generated. So if you just want to see the output, then you can use this command go run, and if you want the executable file, then you can use the go build command. So this is how we can build and run Go programs using the command prompt in Windows 10 operating system. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, then hit the dislike button. If you want to say something, then write it in the comment box. For more tutorials like this, do subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later in the next video.